everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have some candies. It's Mario and Bowser candies. Also with a mushroom that has candies. And also we have a lucky block with candies. And also all of them are based on Mario. It looks good. It's sour green apple. It's sour green apple flavor. It's conveniently wrapped in, well, it's sour. So maybe it might be a little sour. I like lemons, but I never tasted sour candy. It's sour. I love it. Even though it's so sour. It's green. I like it because it has a Bowser head on each side. The next one is Mario. It's brick candies. And this is Mario. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Or I can open it from here. Some spilled out. They look like watermelon flavor. It's because it looks like watermelon. Does it? Mario hats. See? Hat. Hat on top of hat. Well. Definitely watermelon. Definitely watermelon. They're very, very hard. That's why it says brick and candies. Next up is the mushroom. The mushroom can turn its head around like this. If we open it, there's mushroom candies in it. Well, it's cherry and it's sour. It's hard to get out. Let me just see how it tastes. It's sour. It's the same type of sour. It's the same amount of sour about the mushroom. Me and sour. Click our 6 cup tins. Okay. I think I just whipped it. It's okay. I can open it still. What is this cup tin? It's banana. There's a wrapper. Okay, let's open it. Well, everybody, I got banana flavor. Winter's cup candy. I think it's banana flavor. It's because there's a banana up front. Let me just get one of these. Please do not be a super sour one. Tasted like banana. Good banana. Everybody, you can keep the tins if you want to. It's because if you're a big fan of Mario Karts, once you buy these candies, you can keep this. It says you can keep all the tins. Collect all 6. Look at all of these. Look at this one, this one, this one, and this one, and the banana, which I love. Nom, nom.
Once upon a time, there lived a tiny cat named Lola. Lola was always happy, playing with her favorite yarn ball. But one day, Lola felt a strange new feeling: anger. Her yarn got tangled, and she couldn't fix it. Lola's face felt hot, her tail flicked back and forth. She was feeling so mad, but she didn't know what to do. Just then, her friend Mr. Owl flew down from the tree. Mr. Owl asked, "What's wrong, Lola?" Lola explained, "My yarn got tangled, and I'm so mad." Mr. Owl nodded. "It sounds like you're feeling angry. Everyone feels angry sometimes, even me," Mr. Owl said. "Let me teach you what helps when I feel angry," said Mr. Owl. "First, take a deep breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth." Lola took a deep breath, and she felt a little better. "Now, think about why you're angry," Mr. Owl advised. Lola thought, "My yarn got all messy, and I didn't like that. It's frustrating when things don't go our way," said Mr. Owl. "But getting angry won't fix the yarn, will it?" Lola shook her head. "No, it won't. When you're calm, you can find a solution," Mr. Owl said. "How about we untangle the yarn together?" Lola smiled. Okay, they untangled the yarn together, slowly and carefully. Lola felt proud. "Thank you, Mr. Owl." Mr. Owl winked. "You're growing up to be a wise little cat." Lola remembered to take deep breaths when she felt angry. She learned it's okay to feel angry, but to handle it calmly. And so, Lola became a very happy and peaceful little cat, one deep breath at a time.
Celery is 95% water, making it super crunchy and refreshing. Celery is rich in phytonutrient antioxidants, which help decrease inflammation in the body. The ancient Greeks and Romans used celery as flavoring. The ancient Chinese used it as medicine. Celery floats in water, so you can use it to make edible rafts.